Good morning, students. Now, today I am going to take a poem on page number 18. That is poem number 3, The Ant and the Cricket. I will send you this page photo if you don't have a book. Now, see, ant means what? You know. Everybody knows what is ant, mungi. And what you also know what is cricket. Cricket means grasshopper, naak toda. You say, no? Green color ka small insect with many legs, 4 legs. A fable is a short poem that teaches you a moral lesson. Now, fable means what? A short poem that teaches you a moral lesson. What is moral lesson? Concerning of principle and right or wrong. What is right? What is wrong? That is shown in the moral. Your moral should be good. Moral character should be good. Sadachar we say in Marathi. Sadachar. Correct? It is not based on fact. Now see, this fable is not based on facts. Facts means reality, sachai. It is not based on fact. Reality, sachai. It often animal has characters. In this fable, in this story, mostly the characters means patra, actors are animals. This poem has been taken from a well-known Aesop's fable. From the book, the Aesop's fable. There is a story book known as Aesop's fable. It is taken from there. It is a story poem about an ant and a cricket. It is a story of an ant and the cricket. What do you learn from it? Now we will see. A silly young cricket, accustomed to sing. A silly young cricket, accustomed to sing. Now you see, silly means murkha. The poet says that the cricket is silly. Cricket naak thoda murkha hai. Accustomed to sing. He is used to sing. He always sings. He likes singing. Everybody has got hobbies, human beings. So animal also has. So the cricket is accustomed to sing. It is used to sing. Through the warm sunny months of gay summer and spring. When it is warm, when it is sunny, means when there is sun. Sunny months of gay, when there is sun, there is hot. Gay means happiness. In summer and spring. Summer, you know, no? Dhupkala. And spring means which comes after summer, before any season. Began to complain when he found that at home. This grasshopper, this cricket, began to complain. Complain to whom? To himself. खुद से ही तकरार कर रहा है जब वो घर पे था. His cupboard was empty. His cupboard was empty. And the winter has come. Now see what happens. You see the small ant. छोटी मुंगी तुम देखते हो दीवार पर से, जमीन पर से अपने मुंह में कुछ ना कुछ लेके जाती है. क्या लेके जाती है? जहाँ पर भी उसको कुछ खाने को मिलेगा. Whatever she gets to eat. She goes and stores in her room. So that when it is rainy season, she will eat that and stay safely. But this grasshopper was continuously singing when it was summer, when it was warm, when it was sunny. He kept on singing and did not bother to collect any food. So what happened? He complains there is no food in his cupboard. His cupboard was empty when the winter came. Not a crumb to be found. Crumb means what? Small piece of bread. Even a small piece of bread was not there in his cupboard for him to eat. On the snow-covered ground, there was not a small piece of bread on the ground. Where the ground, यानी पूरा ground ठंडी में क्या हुआ था? बर्फ से भरा हुआ था. Not a flower could he see. And you know, when it is cold season, if the ice is falling, if it is very cold, देर आर नो फ्लावर्स, नॉट अ लीफ ऑन अ ट्री, ऑल द लीव्स फॉल डाउन, सब पत्ते झड़ जाते, झाड़ पे पत्ते नहीं रहते। ओ व्हाट विल बिकम सेज द क्रिकेट ऑफ मी, और क्रिकेट बोलता है, वो नागतोड़ा बोलता है, क्या मेरा क्या होगा, व्हाट विल हैपन ऑफ मी। यू नो, यू आर वर्किंग, योर पेरेंट्स आर वर्किंग, people are working, they collect money, they collect food, but if they don't have anything, what will happen? There will be nothing for them, they will starve, वो भूखे मरेंगे, उनके पास कुछ नहीं है, कुछ खा नहीं सकेंगे। ऐसा ही इस ग्रास हॉपर क्रिकेट के साथ हुआ। जब ही पूरा धूप का समय था, अच्छा सूरज था, उस समय ये ग्रास हॉपर क्रिकेट सिर्फ गाता था, इस झाड़ पर से उस झाड़ पर कूदता था, इधर उधर जाता था, ही वॉज गोइंग हियर एंड देयर एंड होल डे ही वॉज सिंगिंग एंड नॉट बॉदर्ड टू कलेक्ट फूड लाइक द एंट्स। एज द एंट्स, यू नो, मुंगी तुम देखते हो, कभी भी तुम देखोगे, वेन एवर यू सी देम, दे आर कलेक्टिंग द फूड, दे स्टोर द फूड बिकॉज दे नो देयर विल बी स्नो, बर्फ पड़ेगी, ठंडी पड़ेगी, उस समय हम इसका इस्तेमाल करेंगे, वी विल यूज दिस फूड व्हेन इट इज कोल्ड। बट द क्रिकेट डिड नॉट बॉदर, ही केप्ट ऑन सिंगिंग, ही केप्ट ऑन सिंगिंग, ही केप्ट ऑन प्लेइंग, एंड एट लास्ट ही फाउंड हिज कबर्ड एम्प्टी, नो फूड फॉर हिम, एंड नाउ ही सेइंग, आई कांट अंडरस्टैंड, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, मेरा क्या होगा। एट लास्ट बाय स्टारवेशन एंड फैमिन मेड बोल्ड, at last by starvation, starvation means suffering or death caused by lack of food, you know, when you don't have food, जब तुमको खाना नहीं रहता है, तुम बचोगे क्या? नहीं, एक दिन तुम निकाल सकते हो, 2 दिन निकाल सकते हो, 1 day you can wait without food, 2 days you can without food, but the 3rd day you will be on the bed, you will feel very sicky, you will not be able to walk, तुम चल नहीं सकोगे और भूख से तुम मर जाओगे। At last by starvation and famine made bold, भूख से, और जब वहां पर कुछ भी उसको खाने को नहीं था, नो फूड वॉज देयर, द क्रिकेट बिकेम बोल्ड। बोल्ड मीन्स व्हाट? हिम्मत आई उसमें। ऑल ड्रिपिंग विथ वेट एंड ऑल ट्रेमलिंग विथ कोल्ड, पूरा शरीर पानी से भिगा हुआ, ठंडी से थरथरा रहा था। All dripping with wet and all trembling with cold. Away he set off to a miserly ant. और वो किसके पास गया? Where did he go? To the miserly ant. Miserly ant means not generous, unhelpful. Miser बोलते हैं ना, not helpful. You don't help anybody. You don't care anybody. So he went to the grasshopper. Though he wanted help from the ant, उसको मूंगी से मदद चाहिए थी, फिर भी वो बता रहा है कि वो मदद नहीं करने वाली मूंगी के पास गया। टू सी इफ टू कीप हिम अलाइव ही कुड ग्रांट हिम, टू सी इफ ही कुड कीप अलाइव ही वुड ग्रांट, उसको जिंदा रखने के लिए, किसको? क्रिकेट को, ग्रास हॉपर को, वो नागतड़े को जिंदे रहने के लिए वो मूंगी कुछ दे सकती है क्या? कैन द एंड गिव समथिंग टू ईट टू हिम सो दैट ही विल बी अलाइव। हिम शेल्टर फ्रॉम रेन एंड माउथ फुल ऑफ ग्रेन, बारिश से उसको छत देना, शेल्टर, उसको बारिश से बचा लेना, एंड माउथ फुल ऑफ ग्रेन, और मुंह भर के अनाज उसको मिलेगा क्या? विल द ग्रास हॉपर, विल द क्रिकेट गेट शेल्टर फ्रॉम रेन? शेल्टर मीन छाया, ही इज नॉट हैविंग एनी रूम, ही इज नॉट हैविंग अ हाउस, so he went to the ant asking for shelter from rain and mouth full of grain, और मुंह भर के अनाज। he wished only to borrow, he wished to borrow, to take and return it back, borrow means what? to take and return it back, वह लेना और उसको वापस देना, ऐसा सोच के गया। he could repay it tomorrow, and what did he say? today I will take and I will give it to the ant tomorrow, if not he must die of starvation and sorrow. If he did not go to the ant to ask for food, he thought that he may die of starvation. भूख से मरना पड़ता था उसको, मूंगी के पास जाकर कुछ मांगता नहीं, छत मांगता नहीं, छाया मांगता नहीं, तो बारिश से, ठंड से और बिना खाने से उसको मरना पड़ता था, दुख से मरना पड़ता था, एंड सॉरो. He must die of starvation and sorrow. If he did not go to the ant, if he did not ask for help from her, he thought that I must die now of starvation and sorrow. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. And the next part I will put you in my next period. Thank you once again, and take care of yourself. And I hope that you might have understood this poem, and you have to learn this poem by heart, which will come for the test or the exam to be written. Thank you.